The Immigration and Foreigners Bill is one of the key legislations that the government is intending to bring in this budget session, and this has led to a lot of speculation as to what really is the government planning by bringing this law. Now, the indications that CNN News 18 is getting that this bill could be to look at the all-encompassing issue of illegal immigration into India. The issue of illegal immigrations of Bangladeshis and Rohingyas has dominated electoral campaign in the West Bengal elections. In Jharkhand elections also we saw Bharatiya Janata Party really pushing this particular issue, arguing that if there is a change in the demographics of Jharkhand, especially in the Santhal Pargana area, it is because of illegal immigrants coming in from the Bangladesh and West Bengal border and then subsequently crossing the river and entering India. There's also a report, the NCRB data to suggest as far as crimes are concerned in this country, the huge section of criminals, they seem to have entered India illegally from the Bangladesh border. The recent case where the Mumbai police has accused an illegal Bangladeshi immigrant in the Saif Ali Khan has also led to concern whether there is enough being done to ensure that illegal immigration of Bangladeshis and Rohingyas does not happen. So this bill, the indication that we are getting is that this bill could actually change the three laws or tweak them, the three laws which govern the entry of foreigners into India. That's the Foreigners Registration Act, the Passport Act and the Passport Registration Act. So these are the three laws which are dealing with foreigners at the moment. The Immigration and Foreigners Bill could be the overarching all-encompassing law. We are given to understand that this would focus on enhancing border security, giving more power to agencies which are acting on the borders, and making it more streamlined as to what really is the process, what really is the SOP when an illegal immigrant is trying to enter India, what is the process being followed. World over, we are seeing the issue of immigration and illegal immigrants getting a lot of traction. The Trump administration is working on it, asking countries to take back illegal immigrants, and that broader perspective, that broader framework is something that has resonance with the ruling dispensation in here in India too. But the broad contours of this bill are still being worked upon. This bill is yet to be brought in the Union Cabinet. Once the draft is presented before the Union Cabinet and the Cabinet approves it, only then can it be brought in the Parliament. But the very fact that the government has listed this bill in this current budget session, when the upcoming Delhi election, also the issue of Rohingya immigrants and the issue of voter list being manipulated, when that issue is still alive, this bill getting listed, this bill getting talked upon is being seen as a political move by the Bharatiya Janata Party-led union government. How soon will the draft be brought before the Cabinet? The indication is that in the next Cabinet meeting, this bill could be brought up in, and then subsequently Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha could be asked to give it its nod.